Hi Robert, this is Amanda with Digital Velocity, and here's the screencast video that I was telling you about. So first I wanted to kind of hop over to Google to kind of talk about that a little bit first. So when I looked up garage door service Longwood, Florida, this is what I come up with. So these are the first three businesses here in the map pack, and so this is called the map pack here. These first three or four businesses that are listed right next to the map. This is kind of the goal for where we want to get you, or any business wants to be, in here, because this captures about 33% of the total search traffic is this first page. And so what it takes to get in here is different than what it takes to get in down here, which this is called the organic section, the organic listings. So to get into the map pack, it basically takes a optimized Google business listing. So you're familiar with the listing. So it's basically making sure that this is built out with the correct locations, like areas that you serve, the categories that you want to be listed in. There's a spot where you can give a 750 word description down here, usually right here. So this they give you 750 words to do here, and you want to make sure that that's filled out completely. Use all 750 words and add a couple of keywords in there. Making sure that these questions here, you can ask and answer your own questions actually. So making sure that they're filled out with things that you normally get asked from customers, so that maybe it gives them an answer to a question without having to reach out. So anything that you can do that makes the customer experience easier and better for them, Google likes that. So making sure those are filled out. Your photographs, making sure you've got a lot of high quality images in here. And then we also geotag our images so that they have a location, and that gives an extra little boost for SEO. Making sure that your hours are correct, everything in here. So having that done, and then also having what's called citations, which are your business name, address, and phone number as it's listed on Google in different directories across the web. So places like Yext, Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook, any place that there's like a directory that you can have a business listing. You want to get listed there. So what we do for our clients is build out 200 of these so that you far surpass your competition, and so that it takes them, a while to catch back up to you. And basically, like, every citation is kind of like a vote of confidence in Google's eyes that you are who you say you are, you do what you say you do, you're where you're you say you're located. So the more votes of confidence you can have, the higher it's going to push you up into that map pack. So that's kind of how you get into the map pack. Now, how you get into the organic listings is determined on your website. The first thing I noticed here on your website is the content. So content is king. It's how you are going to target the keywords that you want to show up for. And Google really likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on your homepage. So beefing up your content here would be really important. And then, targeting your keywords. You can target about one keyword for every 125 to 150 words of actual content that there are. Otherwise, you're seen as keyword stuffing, and that can actually work against you. So you do have to have a certain amount of content to be able to target a certain amount of keywords. And with the 1,500 to 2,000 keyword or words of content, we're usually able to, target anywhere from 10 to 15 keywords on your homepage. And then each additional service page should have, at least 500 to 750 words of content, and then you can target, 5 to 7 keywords for that. So I saw here that on your services page, you don't really have, do you just do garage doors? Is that the only thing that you do? Or do you do like front doors or anything else? Anything that you have that you do as a service, you would want to build out an additional page for it, so that you're able to target keywords that are specific to that service. So when I plugged you in here on a tool that I use called Ahrefs or Ahrefs, let's see, here's yours. This is what the back end of your website looks like. So basically your UR and your DR score are the trust that Google has in you, that you are who you say you are and you do what you say you do, and the power that's being driven to your website through backlinks. That's your power structure. Backlinks are essentially any link from another website that leads back to you. If it's a do follow link, then they in turn share their power with you, which is what gets your keywords moving up in the rankings. So backlinks are going to be like blog posts where the author is talking about garage door repair in Florida, and then there's a link and it leads back to your website. If it's do follow, then that website would share their power with you. So you're pretty lacking here in the power, which is why you're not showing up you know, in the rankings. So the referring domains are just the websites that host those backlinks. So let's look at your backlink really quick. So 30 best garages building repairing in Castleberry, Florida with reviews. So this is a Yellow Pages directory listing. This is Super Pages. This is Yellow Pages. This is Angie. So those ones are providing you with links, but let's see. And we're going to look and see which ones are do follow. So yeah, they are do follow links. So, oh, see, this is no follow, no follow, no follow, no follow. So you need do follow links, and do follow links are the ones that actually share the power. So all the links that you have right now, these are all no follow links, which is why you're not getting any power to your website. So let's see, going back. Your keywords is where you're really lacking. So this is this is like one of the most important things. Pro garage door. So you know you're showing up for kind of your business name, but you're in 45th position for that. Longwood garage door repair, Longwood. So these are keywords that you do want to show up for, but see you're ranking on the 4th and 6th, the 9th and the 8th pages of Google. And they say, you know, where to hide the dead bodies is page 2 of Google because nobody will ever look there. So getting yourself ranking for these keywords and then adding a ton more keywords, because your competition here, let's see, they've got, you know, 549 keywords. And so what we do here is we make sure that we're targeting location specific keywords so that they're people that are in your area that are searching for your services, so they're more likely to convert. So we go and we target things like this: garage door repair Sanford, Florida, garage door repair Kissimmee, garage door repair Orlando. So anywhere that has like a location, that's where we would want to go and target those keywords. And then you provide power to those keywords through backlinks. So if you look here, like, let's see. So we'll do their first one. So Diamond Garage Doors and Openers LLC. So there are 150 people per month searching for this one keyword. The keyword difficulty basically shows you like how much competition there is for the keyword, how long it'll take to rank for it because of how many other people are trying to get ranking for it. The CPC is the cost per click. So if you were running Google ads, that's how much it would cost you for one click for that word. The traffic is how much traffic they are getting for this one keyword. So they're getting 48 people to their website per month for that one keyword, and they're in the first position. So, and you can see kind of, you know, they're at the bottom of the first page, you know, for most of these, or the top of the second page. Still going through here, they're just second and third page. So, I mean, they even really could use some help for sure. And I noticed a lot of the other businesses that are around your area are either they're national companies or they're franchises. So they're going to be really hard to beat. So looking at, you know, this is one of the franchises. So you can see they've got 24,700 keywords. They're getting 85,000 traffic basically, but they are a franchise. So, you know, they're all over that is the traffic from all of their locations combined. So there's really, you know, and they don't have any backlinks either, which is crazy that they're ranking really high up in the top, which is just because of their keywords pretty much. Because their backlink structure is horrible. But yeah, so those are a few of the ways that I could kind of show you that, you know, why you're not ranking and how you can get ranking. As far as the Google business listing goes, I would definitely suggest just starting over from scratch, going ahead and canceling out or permanently closing any other locations that you have tried to open or have been open in the past, and then just starting from scratch. For Google business listings, we do a flat fee of $500, and then it's $350 to add on 200 citations to get you ranking in there. So it's a total of $850 for a total Google business build and citations. And then As far as SEO goes, we build our proposals for each individual client, because what it's going to take to get your business ranking is different than what it's going to take to get any other business ranking. And so giving you a cookie cutter price on that would be, it would not be helpful, because we go really in depth on what it's going to take to beat your competitors, and exactly what it's, what it's going to take for us in terms of links and everything else to get you ranking above them. So after we do a one-to-one and figure out your goals and everything, that's when I can build a proposal for you, and really give you a price. But I can tell you right now, I'm not sure exactly where your site is built right now, but if it's on any place like Wix or Weebly or Yellow Pages, or Wix or Weebly or Squarespace, those are sites that don't allow you to access the things that you need to access to be able to optimize for the search engines. So we build on WordPress or Snaps, and you would probably need a complete rebuild. You would need a complete rebuild, because you need to add all new content basically on here, and it needs to be restructured. You need to have, images on here that are optimized, that are, have the right keyword titles and meta titles and meta tags and descriptions and all of that other SEO, lingo. But yeah, getting you a site built on WordPress or Wix or WordPress or Snaps would be, that would be what you would need to do, and then optimizing it for SEO and having a monthly SEO fee on top of that. So, but yeah, if you want to get together, I hope this was helpful. And just go ahead and respond via email, and we can set up some time to get together and chat. Thanks.